How to put Chinese letters on Roblox display name. First things first is open up your Roblox client, but on this video I'm currently using the Roblox web version and I'm on Chrome. So just head directly to their official site and make sure that you're fully logged into your account. Now at the top right portion of your screen you should be able to see the gear icon, which is going to be the settings, and head out directly to the settings portion. Now once you're here, under account info and then under on display name, just simply hit on this pencil icon right here. Now create a new tab and then just simply choose any Chinese letters you would like to be changed on your Roblox display name. Now I'm gonna be choosing little warrior in Chinese. Now just simply copy the Chinese letters where you would like to be added or to be changed to your Roblox display name, and then just double click on your current display name and then just simply Control V or right click paste and immediately click on save. Now that's the trick. That's how you change Chinese letters on Roblox display name.